Hello everyone.
Happy January 6th. Today we celebrate beans, technology, and the joy of innovation and flavor. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Bean Day. A hearty salute to legumes of all kinds. A great gift could be a gourmet bean sampler, a bean recipe book, or a rustic soup pot. What's your favorite bean dish? Let's stew the comments. It's National Technology Day. Celebrating the tools that shape our lives. A thoughtful gift could be a smart gadget, a tech organizer, or a digital subscription. What tech makes your life easier? Let's geek out in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Cuddle Up Day. A cozy reminder to snuggle and relax. A sweet gift could be a plush blanket, a cuddle pillow, or a cozy pajama set. Who do you cuddle up with? Let's warm the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.